How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a push-up workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is just going to be the regular push-up. I know it's basic, but at the same time, basic is good at times. So we'll do 10 reps, we'll do 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. Let's get started. So again, just normal push-up, 10 reps. Just like that. One thing that I haven't been taking into account is that for my rest days, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, what I do is I actually do more workouts on my rest days than the days that I work. So I was eating 2,300 calories on my rest days, and I was eating about 2,300 on my work days. So what I did is I tried dropping calories to 2,000 right across. So 2,000 calories every single day. I tried that for the last 3 days now, and every single time I've tried that, I've had refeed days where I eat anywhere from 35 to 4,000 calories. So 2,000 calories is not enough calories, especially when I'm making all these videos. I can make 18 videos in the day, 30 videos in the day. That burns a ton of calories. So I need to be eating more calories. So I'm increasing my calories now to 2,500 for my work days and for my rest days. That should allow me to get more videos in and keep me full for a longer period of time. It will allow me to stay full, but at the same time, it will allow me to lose weight because I still need to lose weight. Lowest weigh-in so far is 176. My lowest morning weigh-in is 178. So if you take the 176 number, I have 6 pounds to lose. If you take the 178 number, I have 8 pounds to lose. Either way, the goal is to get to 170 in the morning. So that is the goal. And that's something that I have got to hit. I will be eating in the morning, I think, from now on. Before I wasn't eating, but I think I'm going to eat now in the morning. Still not going to eat during work, but in the morning I'll probably... Just because my job is pretty physical and I want to maintain my calories. Another good thing that I'm doing now too is, again, the days that I work out the most is on my rest days, believe it or not. Maybe really not consider my rest days, but... So today I've only been doing this for an hour and a half, but I've already consumed close to 800 calories, which is pretty good. These workouts do burn a lot of calories. So it's good to get those calories in. I'm not gonna eat now till about 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, I'll probably have like a peanut butter and jam sandwich, 2 of them. And then, yeah. We'll do another 10. Because again, when you're losing weight, you don't want to lose muscle mass. If you cut your calories too much, you'll lose a ton of muscle. So you gotta be very careful with that. And it just comes down to tracking your calories. I track my calories the whole time so far. And that's kind of how I know 2,000 calories is not enough. I need a little bit more, and we will see. Hopefully 25 is enough. 2,500 is feeling good. Maybe we'll increase that to 2,750 because again, you want to be able to lose weight, but still maintain as many calories as you can. I don't want to lose weight too quickly. I've been losing it pretty quickly now, but I think that's kind of starting to catch up on me. We'll do another 10. good. Again, I have 5 videos to make after this one, and then I will be taking a break. So it's not too bad. Should be done at about 11:30, maybe. And then I'll take a break for probably 6-7 hours. Then I might come back, do another hour or 2. Yeah, we will see. But again, this is the toughest workout that I do on my channel. It's these push-ups. They take quite a bit out of me. But again, a lot of people like push-up videos on my channel, so I'm gonna keep making them. 3 more sets, and then we are done. But yeah, the main thing that has been happening to me the last couple of days is getting headaches. That's from not eating enough, and that is another reason why I'll be increasing my calories. Kind of sucks too not having any caffeine. I feel the caffeine kind of helped me through the days. We'll do another 10. Okay. Pretty good. But yeah, the pelvic floor video after this is pretty easy, and then the ab video is not going to be too bad either. That's probably going to be scissors, which is a pretty decent exercise. It's not too bad. And then I got a face fat, hand grip, and vein video, so those are all pretty easy to do. But yeah, still about 6 to 8 pounds to go on my weight loss, and then that will be it. Let's do another 10. Okay. But yeah, definitely gonna start having just a little bit of food in the morning. Probably go to trail mix. I still have some trail mix left, so probably eat that up when that's done. I have cereal left, so I'll probably eat the cereal up probably, and then I'm not quite sure. Okay, we'll do another 10, and we're done. Woo. Okay, good job, you guys. Oh, look who came in. It is Sparky. Hey Sparky, how's it going? You have a good sleep? Hi, cutie. But yeah, again with the push-ups, we just did 100 reps. That is quite a bit of volume for push-ups. Even though it's just the regular push-ups, still 100 reps is a lot. It's pretty tough on the body. But it's a good workout. Great workout, you guys. Hopefully you followed along with me at home. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.